In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a domain on HostGator in just a few simple steps. Whether you're cleaning up your domain list or preparing to transfer to another host, this guide will walk you through the process. First, open your browser and go to hostgator.com. At the top right corner of the page, click Sign In. Enter your username and password to log into your account. If you've forgotten your password, just use the recovery link. After logging in, you'll be directed to the HostGator dashboard. From here, find the tab labeled Domains and click on it. This section manages all your registered domains. Now, you'll see a list of all the domains linked to your account. Carefully select the domain you want to delete. You can either click directly on the domain or use the action menu next to it. Once you've selected the domain, navigate to its settings page. This is where you can manage all domain-related features and options. Inside settings, look for the option labeled Remove Domain. Before clicking, make sure you've saved any important data, because deleting a domain also removes its linked email, website content, and configurations. When prompted, confirm your decision. This action is irreversible, so double check that you're deleting the correct domain before proceeding. And that's it. Your domain has been successfully deleted from HostGator. Always remember to back up your data before removing a domain to avoid losing anything important.